how to create an account on the HMRC app. So first of all, you get the app itself. You can get in the Play Store or wherever you want to download it. It should just be found here in the Play Store. Just search for the HMRC app, install the app, and press on open. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you're gonna have to follow a slight process. So you can toggle this on if you want, but in our case, we're gonna go ahead and press on no. And right here, we have the sign in option. Sign in to access your personal account. But since we don't have one, we're gonna go ahead and press on sign in anyway, so that we can finally get to our register or create an account. So we're gonna go ahead and open it with our preferred browser. And from here, we can go ahead and choose the very bottom option, which is create new sign-in details. We go ahead and press on that, toggle that, and press on continue. So from here on, what you're gonna do is to pretty much just follow and answer all of the questions they ask you. And from here, you will be able to set up your account. So read all of this properly and make sure you answer them all correctly. So creating a new gov.uk one login, and once you are able to create this and you get the account, you should be able to sign in that specific login credential inside the app. So that's pretty much it. They will tell you what you'll need, which is an email address, a way to get security codes, and this can be a UK mobile phone number or an authenticator app, or you can also use the gov.uk login in Welsh. So just go ahead and press this, create your gov.uk one login, follow every prompt, just put in everything they ask you for, and you will be able to create your account. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.